Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today I'm up here in McDonald's parking lot, and you guys see a tag on this guy, on this goal's foot. Hey, you little buddy. Yeah, but there was a tag on the goal's foot. There's about a dozen of them going around like it, and it makes him wobble, like it can't walk straight. Like, look at a other goal if it comes around, and see if it like it walks straight. But when they got them tags on them, I don't know who's doing it or what it's for. Might be a tracking device or something, but that's him right here, like he's flying there now. But anyways, guys, I'm up here at McDonald's enjoying a coffee in the nice crappy weather. But this here's a short video, so I'm gonna take it off from here. And look at this guy. Look. I think that guy is flying. But anyways, guys, this is beautiful Bay Roberts. So yeah, everything is closed now because it's Sunday up here, but the restaurants are still open. Anyways, guys, drop your comments in below. Let me know what that is, okay, guys? Let me know what it is on the goal's leg, and if you know who's doing it, let me know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Love you all. Bye.